All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my four-way winner's choice with the Yelich black leather baseball. So we'll check the time April 15th at 5:53 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. We've got April 15th at 5:53 p.m. There is the list of our 17 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 11. All right, 11 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Zachary. Spot 11 is your winner. So, Zachary, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, April 15th, 5:54 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.